Okay, so it is savings challenges day. I think I have like 370-ish to put away today, so let's give it a count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so it's 390, not 370. So that's good because that's right around what I thought. Oh shoot, I didn't grab my little tool over here before I started, so let me grab that. Okay. And actually let me move this over here so that I have some room. So I know one of the things that I want to do first is finish up my boba challenge. But actually we'll scratch one of these first. We'll go in order and we'll start scratching these first. So I like to just pick randomly. Let's do this one down here. And that's $15. Perfect. And actually I think I can condense this one somewhat because it looks like I have just a bunch. So let me see how much I'm supposed to have so far. 22 plus 18 plus 20 plus 15. So with this one I should have 75 in here. I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and condense 20, 40, 60. That way I have change for other things. 70 and 75. So yeah, so 20, 30, 40, 60, 75. Yep. Okay, so perfect. I have some change here. I was worried that I was gonna have to do some IOUs today, and I do not. Perfect. All right, so 75 for this one so far out of 150. That means we are halfway done. Yay! And this is going to go into my travel. I have a high yield savings account for travel. So here's this one. I think I only have 3 of these left. This is the one I was talking about from Mischief Managed Budgets. I really like it. You get these cute little cards and they have random numbers on them. It is a save. I think it's a save 300. So like they're super cute. It's all boba themed and it's got like different, right? It's got an axolotl. It's got like little bunnies, little pandas. So this is my marker to say which ones are done and which ones are not. I only have 3 left, so we're gonna do those 3. Her stickers were different. I have finished this one once before, so I put my own little stickers, and I actually really hate these. So I'm trying to use them up as quickly as possible because I'm not gonna just throw them away, but they're really terrible scratch offs, so they're really hard to scratch off. So I usually I start scratching and then I'll just end up taking the whole thing off. I don't know why I don't just take off the whole thing. So yeah, see, they're just like terrible to scratch off. So that's $12. So 5, 10, 11, $12. And then I guess I can just do the rest of that after. Okay, so we got 25, 25. And then, like I said, I'll take these off after because I don't want you guys to have to watch me just taking things off. And then 21. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, $58 is going in that from today. And then we're gonna take this out and we're gonna count. This should be 300, I believe. Okay. And if this is 300, then we will condense again so we have more money to go into the next one. And then we'll put this away for later. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. It is 300. That is perfect. So let me condense a little bit, get some of these 20s. Okay, so 10, 15, 20. I didn't have a 10, so that's good. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 15, 20, and that should equal 300. 60, 80, 300. Yep. So then I'll take my little placeholder from over here. And I will put it here, and this will go into my bank account. I'm gonna split this into two. Oh, so I might need a little change. Oh, we'll do that when we need to. Because I'm putting this between my Christmas binder and my savings to go to my cousin's bachelorette. So I guess just her wedding in general, but that's what I'm putting this towards, both of those. So we'll put those away. We'll put this one in here, and then we'll put these two on top just to remind me to take off those awful stickers. So we need to replace this, and I recently got some new ones, but I don't want to do the new ones just yet. I want to do some of the ones that I've had waiting. Oh, you know what? I still have this dollar from that last one, so let's just put that right back into rotation. Let me see. So I have On a Foxing Budget, Hello Fall, Houston. You know what? I think I want to do Hello Fall, because fall is about to be here in the next few days, I believe, in like 3 or 4 days. So we'll put that one in there, and if we have time, we will come back and put more money into that. Okay, so this one, I believe I only need like 35 bucks to finish all the ones that are already in here, because I got a new one that's already laminated. So I think we're gonna finish this and then switch them out. So perfect. This is $2. 1, 2, and then this should be 3 then, right? Yeah. $3. 1, 2, 3. Might have to make change soon. And this should be $30, so I'm just not gonna, I have 8. That's 15. 9. And 6. So that should equal 30. 9, 10, 16, 22, 30. Yep. Okay. So then 20, 30, and let's see how much all of those freebies have saved us. And we'll be able to make some change here too. Perfect. Okay. So all of these freebies from everybody. Let's see how much it's 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, $85. That's really good. Okay, so let me take these and I will go ahead and I'm going to keep that little taco. I'm just going to be in there chilling. It makes me happy. Put this over here and then I will... Well, let me make some change. 20, 16, 20, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So then we have a 10 back in here. We have another 5 back in there. And then we'll take a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so $85. Cool. Let me get a... I dropped one of my little cards. Okay, and actually I have a new mini to put in here, which is exactly why I was gonna finish this in the first place, because I got a new one from Jamie R. Budgets. So, oh, I have this cute little So Utterly Thankful. I don't know how much this is gonna save. I'm guessing it's 10 to 15, maybe even 20. We'll see. So we're gonna put that in there. Okay, For Richer or Forget It. This one is for sure just gonna be going towards the wedding. My cousin's wedding. I'm not getting married. Let's just do a full diagonal and do this one. $7. Super cute. Okay, perfect. And we have the change for that. So $5, $6, $7. And that means this one has saved us 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm not going to condense this one just because I want to make sure I do have some room for condensing in future. Oops, wrong one. So we're just going to keep that in there. That saved us 23 out of 100 so far. So almost a quarter of the way through. That's nice. This one scares me because it is high numbers, but we have the money for today, so let's do this one. And that is 25. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so 25. 25 goes in here. And again, this is, I don't know who this one's from. This was a freebie in something that I bought a while ago for the first time, and it doesn't have their name on it, so I can't tell you whose it is. But we have our friend's one here. This one's already scratching a little bit, so we're just gonna do that one. And that was for $7. Cool. I'm really tempted, and don't worry guys, I have a little like vacuum somewhere around here. I just, oh, it's right here. I was gonna say I just misplaced it, so. And I just cleaned it out too, so that's nice. So $7. 5, 6, 7. And let's grab the money. This one's behind the little sloth guy. So 5, 7. So this one has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and $16. Same thing with this one. I am not yet going to condense that just because I want to make sure that next time if I need ones, then I have some in there. Okay, so we've been through this whole one. So let's put this away for now. Well, actually, I want to try, I don't like to leave anything in here without some kind of money. I don't know, I guess it's just my own little, I almost stabbed myself with that. Shh. Come on, Leslie. I feel like it's like a bad omen, right? Like, so we're just gonna put, this one's $6, perfect. 5 and 6. This is a save 50 from Jamie R. Budgets. So I know I talk about her a lot. I'm obsessed with her videos. I really love her videos. So if you get time, go check those out. I don't like to leave them without any money. So let's start coloring this in. Let's see, why don't we color in, I guess the background of the house is worth $5, so let's pick, I think I'm gonna do the house brown. Okay, well, that's gonna be my indicator. I'll do this off camera so that we're not taking up too much time. That way we have money in all of them. And then let's So I've been trying to fill, and this is before I started filming. So I have this cute little $300 savings challenges. This was from somebody in Australia. I believe her handle was like Australian Queen. I can't find her page anymore. So if you guys know who that is, it's like this little cute emblem right here. This was the cutest one I've ever bought, and I really, really love it, and I want to buy more from her, but I cannot find her page anymore. So we're gonna take this 50 and we're just gonna fill this one, right? So total, this one has saved us 50, 70, 80, 150, so we're halfway done. Okay, moving on to our savings for everything else. So we're gonna start with this cute Christmas one, and like I said, I laminated these, so I finished this once before, and I didn't notice last time until I did a video. You guys probably won't get to see that one because I think I filmed it wrong, but I forgot to put a thing on here. So I know this one is a 7 already, so we're just gonna put the $7 in here. 5, 6, 7. Now all of these are in here without money, but it's pretty much all of, I mean, except for the $2 bills, but they're not even scratched off from the scratchers. Because I know I just said that I don't like to leave them in here without it, but I just started this binder as like a binder. So that's why. So now all of these are gonna get scratched and have some money in them. Okay, so this one is for $10. It's a little spicy today. That's hilarious. But it does say amounts from 1 to 10, so we're gonna go ahead and put $10 in here, and this is gonna go towards my Costco payment whenever that is due. All right, let's see. This is for my love. Why is there an extra $1 in here? I haven't scratched anything. I haven't scratched these either. Okay, well, now we just have an extra $1 to work with. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. Again, I hate how these scratch, so this is perfect because I can just take this one off after I've scratched it a little bit. Like I said, I'm not gonna waste them. I'm still gonna use them all. I just don't like how they scratch. I don't recommend these specific gold hearts because they are just terrible scratch offs. But anyway, so $7 for that. Let me just, okay, so $5, $6, $7 for birthday. Okay, my sister, Casey, we're gonna do this cute little fat one here. $6. Okay. Okay. $6 in here. And we're keeping $2 in each of them just for luck. Okay, $5 is going towards my brother's birthday, which I think I'm gonna, if I have a little bit extra, then I'm gonna come back here and do something for him because his birthday's in January. So I would either have to really bulk up his or just wait until next year to start saving up for his like that. And then this one's for my dad. It's $5. Perfect. His birthday's in March, but I feel like I can save up a lot more by the time March comes along. And my dad loves things like $2 bills or like the $1 coins. He loves those things. Alright, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. But I've only got a couple of these left. So, how can I make some change? Okay, well, We'll figure it out in a minute. Let's see. This is a 1. Okay, so Uli only gets $1. See how these scratch all smoothly? Like the full thing, I don't have to do like way too much for it. Well, not all of them are like that. Not all scratch offs are created equal. Alright, this one's from my mom. And I have $2 from my mom. My mom doesn't care for $2 bills, but she is bougie. So next time I will try to find some $2 bills and put them in there as well. This is my best friend Michelle. She is a reader. $6. Ooh, I do not have, so let's come over here to my little IOU bucket. It's the same bucket, and I have some. Okay. I ain't doing it. I thought that was so cute. So let's see, I need $5 because it was 6, right? Yeah. I'm putting in $1, so I owe her $5. It's the first thing I'll pay next time, or if I get some change, then I'll be able to put it in here. Oh, I might have a second IOU because I still have Chanel's to do, and it's definitely not gonna have. Okay, so I might as well get my second IOU ready. Just take it out. The other one has things written on it, so I'm gonna use this cute one. This was some freebies, I think, or a download. I can't remember, digital download or some freebies from OMA Crafts and Budgets. OMA Crafts and Budgets. Super cute. So I know I'm gonna need one for Chanel. So that's just this middle one for $5. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to look for some change in one of my binders, or you know what, I have some spending money, so today when I go, I'll just make sure to get some more change for that. Or let me see, do I have enough to make change here? I do not. No, those are 20s and all of those are 20s. Okay. Well, that's all I have for today. Oh, that's not all I have for today, so let's put this one away now that we've given that a little bit of love. Okay, and then we are going to do, I got this, oh, you know what, I might be able to make some change from this one. So I got this as a birthday present from one of my cousins. Let me see if I have, I know I have, no, they're all 20s, dang it. Okay, okay, what can I do here? Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna put 40 and take this 5, so then I can go back to Chanel's and just pay off hers. And I'm gonna color in this 35 here. Let's see, let's make it, I've got some pink and peach colors, so let's make it this little pinkish, purplish color here. And yes, this does bleed through, but it's already bled through, so the next time I do this, I just bought some glitter gel pens. So the next time I do one of these where I color it in, I will be doing it with glitter gel pens because it bleeds through really, really bad. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this brown as a dot for its eye. Okay, so let me see how much this is supposed to have. So we have 50 plus 20 plus 75 plus 40 plus 35 plus 25 plus 10 plus 5 260. So this should be 260. 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, and 60. That means I only have $40 left in this. You know what? I think I'm gonna finish this one. Yeah, we're gonna just color the last two. So I'm gonna use this pretty pink to color the starfish. Yeah, those last ones were terrible. I'm so sorry for anybody that has neurospicy habits. And then I'm just going to, for the time being, mark this one off. Well, no, we'll just finish it. Okay, no, we'll just mark it off because I'll do that off camera. So then we'll add 40 here. 20, 40. So this should equal 300, and this will also be split between the Bachelorette and Christmas. So 120, 40, 60, 80, 220, 40, 60, $300. So that's awesome. This will be going to the bank for Christmas so that I can start buying things, because Lord knows Christmas is expensive. So I'm gonna keep this here so I can come back to it and finish coloring it in. But yeah, like it bleeds through so heavily, and it even got this page a little bit. I don't know if you can see kind of some of these up here, and oh, you can't see that one because I'm covering it, but it's like this right here. Okay, so let me see if I can do this in a way that we get change. So 10, 12. So if I do 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, so if I do 4 of these, then I can put another 20 in here and get change, and possibly even pay off Michelle's. No, because I needed, well, we'll see what I can do. So for this one I use a pencil because it is Sudoku. So let's see, so 2 for, so I need to do 4. Let me do 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 right here. Okay, so that's not 1, neither is that. Okay, so this one has to be 1. And then one of these 2 is 2. This one could be 3. This one cannot be 3. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one has to be 8. This one has to be 2, and this one has to be 3. Okay, so let's put these $12 back. 10, 12, and then we'll take a 20. So that makes it $40 so far. So that means I've done 20 of these. This one doesn't have any, but I can do 4 of these 2 for another one of these 20s. So let's move this over. Okay, so let me see. 1. So that one has to be 2. And then 3. And then this means this one has to be 4. Let's do this one. No, let's do these. So I have 2. I need 2 more. So 1, 2. This one can't be 3. So this one has to be 3. And then 4. So it can't be that one or that. So this is 4. Okay. All right. 5, 10, 15, 20. we go. So that's saved up. I have to go back and color this one, and that's, I have 20, 30, nope, I don't have 20, 32. Let me come back over here. Oof, okay, now come back here to Michelle. So I owed Michelle $5, so let me put this 5 here. So now that IOU is gone. And then I also owed Chanel, oh, I didn't even write it down. That's hilarious. Okay, so I owed her 5. So I guess now, well, let me see if I can scratch another one and get the 10, or at least owe less. 8. 8, okay. Shoot, is one of these a 2? I don't remember. 10. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that's actually really perfect. This one's already coming off, so I'm just gonna tear it off now. Okay, so we're just gonna put this 10 in here, and I don't have any IOUs. And that's for her birthday. Her birthday's not until August. So I don't have any IOUs for this either. So where can I put these last couple of dollars? Oh, duh. Okay. Oh, actually, that would finish that off, I think. Okay, let me see. I have my catch-all. I forgot about that. Oh, 20, 22. One of these is 15 and one of them is 10. No, I'm not gonna take that chance. Okay, so let's get our, this one out of here. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's $16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And then, like I said, I will, this is done, but I will definitely color those off camera. Okay. Oh, I wonder if this actually fits in here. It does, kind of-ish. Okay, well, I'll keep it in there just for now. I'm almost tempted to scratch another one, though, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left. Well, this one's spicy. It's not going to be that one. Watch this one be like 7. I could put it into that one, but I don't, well, actually, yeah, we're gonna do it into this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Okay. I don't have a 1, so we'll do a 4 and 2. So we're going to do this 4. Okay. And then we'll do this 2. Okay, that's for 6. And that's $6, so that gives us $11. left, and then I'll color the rest of that one in off camera. So thank you guys so much for joining. I know this is still a really weird setup. I am gonna order myself a tripod to try to actually film some that are nice. And then after Christmas and the bachelorette savings, after I save enough for both of them, I am actually going to attack my student loans. So let's pray that I save up enough very soon and very quickly, and then that way I can start attacking my student loans a little bit better, so that I can, you know, so that it's gone. Right? Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.